Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your UI presentation stand out, stick around, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning 3D mockups right inside Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give your screen designs that extra touch of depth and professionalism, perfect for showcasing to clients, adding to your portfolio, or just exploring what Figma can really do. Let's dive right in and get started. So first up, I've already got a mockup design open here in Figma. Maybe it's a mobile app screen, a website layout, or even a product card. If you're following along, just make sure you have your design ready too. The reason we start with a completed mockup is so that we can focus all our attention on the transformation process, rather than jumping back and forth between designing and editing. This means you can see your work come alive in 3D just a lot more easily. Now take a look towards the bottom center of your Figma workspace. There you'll spot a button labeled Action. Go ahead and click that. This is where Figma keeps a lot of powerful tools and plugins just a few clicks away. If you've never poked around down there before, it's a great habit to get into, because plugins can really extend what Figma can do for you. Once you're in the Actions panel, head up to the search bar and type in 3D Transformer. Make sure you spell it just like that. Figma has a huge library of plugins, and searching directly by name is the quickest way to find what you need. When you see 3D Transformer pop up in the results, click on it to open it up. If you haven't installed it before, you might need to go through a quick install process. Don't worry, it only takes a moment. Alright, now for the fun part, adjusting the settings. Once the 3D Transformer plugin is running, you'll get a set of controls you can play around with. This is where you can tweak things like perspective, rotation angles, and depth to make your flat design pop off the screen. If you're going for that classic device mockup look, try tilting your design just a bit. Think about how products are shown in those flashy ads, where the phone looks like it's floating in space. That's the kind of effect we're aiming for. Don't be afraid to play with the sliders. You can always undo if you don't love the result. Take your time to preview your changes and see how different angles give your design a totally new vibe. Once you're happy with the way your design looks in 3D, it's time to finalize it. Click on Insert Layer. What this does is, it actually places your newly transformed 3D version of your mockup back into your Figma project as its own layer. This means you can move it, scale it, or even add shadows and backgrounds to really make it stand out. If it doesn't look perfect the first time, no worries, you can always tweak the settings and try again. That's the beauty of working digitally. You can experiment as much as you want. And just like that, you've taken a regular 2D design and made it pop with a 3D mockup, all within Figma. This technique is fantastic for making portfolios, presentations, or even just impressing your team. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more plugin tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for even more tips and tricks on UI design. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.